Good day everyone. Welcome again to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to solve the impedance of an RLC circuit using calculator technique. Example number 1, calculate the impedance of the series RLC circuit shown. I'm going to use this calculator, Casio 570 ES Plus, and using the mode 2 function, which is the complex. You can use other calculators such as Casio 991 ES Plus or Canon 789 SGA or any other calculator with this function. So you have to press mode 2 and solve for XL. This is 2 pi FL. You have to multiply this by I if you are using the mode 2 function and save to memory A. For XC, this is 1 over 2 pi FC times I, save to memory B. Then to solve for the impedance of a series RLC, for series connection, just add the ohmic values. So we have R plus XL, I, but for XC, it should be negative in the complex operation. Negative XC, I, and using the memory, so this is simply R plus memory A minus memory B. Let us now use our calculator. Let us solve XL. This is 2 pi times the frequency of 50 times L of 0.15 times I, press equal sign, and save to memory A. Press AC. Let us solve XC. This is 1 over 2 pi times the frequency of 50 times the capacitance of 100 microfarad, then times I. Press equal sign and save to memory B. Press AC again. Let us now solve the impedance Z. This is equivalent to R, which is 12 plus memory A minus memory B. Press equal sign and convert the result to polar form. Press shift 2, 3. Press equal sign and the result is 19.44 ohms, and that is the impedance. Angle theta 51.88 degrees. Again, our final answer for example number 1, the impedance Z is 19.44 ohms and the angle theta 51.88 degrees. Example number 2, calculate the impedance of a parallel RLC circuit shown below. So again, don't forget to press mode 2. Okay, then solve for XL. This is 2 pi FL multiplied by I and save to memory A. Solve for XC. This is 1 over 2 pi FC times I and then save to memory B. To solve for the impedance of this parallel connection, so the equation for parallel connection for the ohmic value will be applied. Therefore, the impedance here is equivalent to 1 over R plus 1 over XLI plus 1 over negative xc I, or using the memories A and B. So this is 1 over R plus 1 over memory A plus 1 over negative memory B. Let us now use our calculator. Press mode 2. Solve for XL, 2 pi times the frequency of 60 Hz times L of 142 millihenry times I, and press equal sign and save to memory A. Press AC. Let us now solve XL, 1 over 2 pi times the frequency of 60 Hz times the capacitance of 160 microfarad. Then times I, press equal sign and save to memory B. Press AC again and apply the formula to calculate the impedance. And this is 1 over, then 1 over R, which is 1 kilo ohms. So 1 times 10 raised to 3 plus 1 over memory A and plus 1 over negative of memory B. Press equal sign. So this is the answer in rectangular form. We have to convert this to polar form, and this is, press shift 2 and go to the option polar form. Here the option is 3 and press equal sign. So this is the answer for this example. The impedance is 24 ohms and the angle theta is negative 88.62 degrees. Again, our final answer for example number 2, the impedance Z equals 24 ohms. The angle theta equals negative 88.62 degrees. Example number 3, calculate the impedance of the series parallel RLC. So first, again, press mode 2. Okay, then solve for XL, 2 pi FL times I, and save to memory A. Solve for XC1, 1 over 2 pi FC1, and save to memory B. Solve for XC2, 1 over 2 pi FC2, save to memory C. Solving for the impedance, resistor R is in parallel with the series combination of L and C2. L is in memory A, C2 is in memory C, and it should be negative. Then the result is in series with C1. C1, XC1 is in memory B, and that is negative. For every XC, it should be negative in the complex operation. Representing R parallel with AC or A minus C, this is equivalent to 1 over R, or 1 over the inverse of R, plus 1 over A minus C. And the result will be added to or will be combined with negative b. Let us now use our calculator. Press mode 2. Solve for XL. This is 2 pi times the frequency of 60 times L of 650 millihenry and times I. Press equal sign, save to memory A. Press AC and let us solve for XC1. Solving for XC1, this is 1 over 2 pi times the frequency of 60 times C1 of 4.7 microfarad times I. Press equal sign and save to memory B. Press AC and let us now solve for XC2. This is 1 over 2 pi times the frequency of 60 times C2 of 1.5 microfarad times I and press equal sign, save to memory C. Let us now solve the impedance. Let us apply the operation here for Z. So we have 1 over R. R is 470 plus 1 over A minus C, that is from the memory, and minus B. Press equal sign and the result here is in rectangular form. Convert this to polar form, shift 2, 3. Then press equal sign. The result is 818.34 ohms and the angle theta is negative 58.37. Again, our final answer for number 3, Z equals 818.34 ohms and theta equals negative 58.37 degrees. Thank you once again for visiting our channel. You can leave a comment and also please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless to all.